Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, everybody. Today, I would like to present about religious significance in a Waiting for Godot. So, about play, Samuel Beckett is a famous Irish dramatist and novelist. Waiting for Godot is his masterpiece. The play is one of the classical works of theatre of absurd. It is a multiplayer drama which has many interpretations. The play seems absurd but with a deep religious meaning. Through the play, commonly interpreted within the context of the theatre of absurd existentialist literature. It is also Christian allegory and also interpreted with religious interpretations. The play has very strong evidence of theory of existentialism, but still it can be related with many other religious interpretations like Christian myth of two thieves waiting second coming of Jesus Christ, Hindu philosophy and its avatar and other interpretations. Uh, Here is the some points that theme of the uncertainty of salvation. Two thieves on the cross, the theme of the uncertainty of the hope, salvation, and the chance bestowal of divine grace does indeed pervade the whole play. Vladimir states it right at the beginning when he says, one of the thieves was saved. Vladimir states it right at the beginning when he says, one of the thieves was saved. It is a responsible percentage. Later, he engages on the subject. Next point is Godard's unpredictability in bestowing grace. Godard himself is unpredictable in bestowing kindness and punishment. The boy, who is his messenger, looks after the gods, and Godard treats him well. But the boy's brother, who looks after the sheep, is beaten by Godard. And why doesn't the beat you? Ask Vladimir. I don't know, sir. The boy replies. The parable to Cain Abel is evident. Next point is in this we find that two divisions of mankind. The chance bestowal of grace, which human beings cannot comprehend, it, divided mankind into those who will be saved and those who will be damned. When in Act 2, Pozo and Lucky return and the two tramps try to identify them, Estragons call out that Ebe, Pozo immediately responds this. Next is Pozo's failure. In this we find that when Pozo and Lucky repairs the next day, Pozo blind and Lucky dumb. No more is heard of the faith. And Pozo has failed to sell Lucky. His blindness in thinking that he could thus influence the action of grace has been made evident in a concrete physical form. A religious or a Christian play. Waiting for God then seems to be a concern with the hope of salvation through the working of grace. And this view supports the belief that it is a Christian or a religious play. Valdimir's and Estragonus waiting might be explained as a signing their steadfast faith and hope, while Valdimir's kindness to his friend. Next point is thought of suicide. There is in this play there is a one feature of the play that leads us to assume that there is a better solution to the trans predicament, a solution which the trans themselves consider preferable to waiting for God. That solution is suicide. We should have thought of it when the world was young. In the intent, in this says Valdimir in the on the young side. Uh, Next point is the dead voices. Valdimir's and Estragons pestilence are designed to stop them from thinking. Here is that we find that we are in no danger on thinking anymore. Thinking is not the worst. That is a terrible is to have thought. This sentence is said by Valdimir. Valdimir and Estragon talk incessantly because they wish to hear the dead voices which explore the mysterious too of being and the self to the limits of anguish and suffering. Next is the tramp faith. In this, in support of the Christian interpretation, it might be argued with Valdemir and Estragon, who are waiting for Godot, are shown as a clearly superior to Pozo and Lucky, who have no appointment. So, in this, Valdemir says, is aware of the full of horror of the human condition. He says that the air is full of our cries, at me too, someone is looking. But the routine of waiting, which has become a habit, prevents an awareness of the full reality of being. Here is my references. Thank you.